Our next topic is design principles for 5G security. Wireless communication systems were prone to security vulnerabilities from the very beginning. In the first generation 1G, wireless networks, mobile phones, and wireless channels were targeted for illegal cloning and masquerading. In the second generation, that is 2G, of wireless networks, message spamming became common not only by pervasive attacks but also by injecting false information or broadcasting unwanted market information. In the third generation 3G wireless networks, IP based communication enabled the migration of internet security vulnerabilities and challenges in the wireless domains. With the increased necessity of IP based communication, the fourth generation 4G wireless networks enabled the proliferation of smart devices, multimedia traffic, and new services into the mobile domain. This development led to a more complicated and dynamic threat landscape. With the advent of the fifth generation 5G wireless networks, the security threat vectors will be bigger than ever before with greater concerns for privacy. One haunting fact that has always stayed alive during the development towards the 5G is that the IP based communication not only increased the variety of services and network traffic but opened new doors to develop new cracking and hacking mechanisms for wireless networks and mobile devices. Wireless networks and user equipment, however, had difficulty in keeping up the pace with the increasing security challenges surfacing due to IP connectivity. Hence, new solutions and technologies have always been sought to protect the network, user traffic, and services. In this course, we will provide an overview of the new types of security threats and then present the solution proposed for those threats. 5G will connect a critical infrastructure that will require more security to ensure safety of not only the critical infrastructure but safety of society as a whole. For example, a security breach in the power supply system can be catastrophic for all the electrical and electronic systems on which the society depends upon. Similarly, data is critical in decision making and the data will be carried by the 5G network. Hence, adequate measures are required to safeguard the data. Similarly, it is envisioned that public safety systems will also be connected through 5G networks. Hence, it is more critical to develop proper measures to secure not only the network but also the services using 5G networks as a communication medium. Therefore, it is suggested by the next generation mobile networks NGMN that 5G should provide more than hop by hop the radio bearer security. The 5G design principles elaborated in figure above outlines the need for highly elastic and robust systems. Such architectures must support the development and placement of security functions whenever required in any network perimeter. Here I conclude this topic. Hope you understand all the concepts clearly. Meet you in the next topic.
If you have any queries, please get in touch with us by typing your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our videos. So what are you waiting for? Join us for the course and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and share our videos.